First things first, what makes one TV smarter than another? Simply put, a smart TV is one that can connect to the internet via cable or Wi-Fi. This allows for that TV to access streaming platforms like Netflix or Lightbox directly. If your TV isn't smart, that's okay. We'll need to find an HDMI input. If it has one of those, it can still access a streaming service through a device like a Chromecast or Apple TV. We even have a video to help you set that up. But for now, let's get you streaming through your smart TV. First, we need to make sure you're connected to the internet. Connecting a TV to your internet via cable is very simple. You plug the Ethernet cable from your modem to the back of your TV and it's ready to go. Wi-Fi can be a little trickier as all TVs are different, but essentially you'll want to open the settings menu where there's usually an option for network. Then select the setup wizard. This will make your TV scan for available networks and you can select your home network from the list. If you haven't already personalized your network name with something hilarious, you'll find that name on the back of your router. There'll also be a password to enter before you can access the internet. Now that we've got the internet connected to your TV, we can take a look at the apps that will get you streaming. Most TVs will have Netflix or YouTube installed by default. But if you need to download an app, it will be in your TV's app store or available on the website of the streaming platform you want to access. Choose the app you want. We're using TVNZ On Demand today. Then sign up for a new account or sign in using your existing account details. Remember, while some streaming services are free, others have monthly subscriptions. So make sure you know what you're getting into before you sign up. Now that you're all hooked up and our work is done, if you wouldn't mind moving out of the way, I've got a show to watch. If you need help with this or any other tech problems, try our free chat service online or give us a call on 0800 for a geek. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tips and advice from our geeks.